Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make these miniature kitchen items. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you don't want to miss my next video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. To make the first item, you will need 2 recycled clear lids, glue them together, cut off most of the bottom lid, attach a tiny piece of a drinking straw in the shape of a triangle to the top one, and glue the rest of the straw to the pitcher to make a handle. And for those of you who would like to know how I made the kitchen that was featured in the beginning of the video, there is a link in the description box, and I also listed all of the materials down there. Now use hot glue and a button to make a lid. To make the next kitchen item, you will need an empty capsule pill, a pin needle, lollipop stick, hot glue, nail varnish, old earphones, and small pieces of wire. To make the stand mixer, cut off 3 cm of your hot glue stick, apply hot glue on top and turn it up and down until it has dried and it's nice and even. Now repeat on the other side. It should end up looking like this. Now cut off a small piece, trace the shape on baking paper and use more hot glue to make additional pieces for the mixer. I'm placing a metal ruler on top to make sure it's flat on both sides, but make sure the glue has cooled down a little bit before you do that, otherwise it will end up being too thin. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!